very soon. So that's why I am explaining the page number 25, because some of you have problems in this page. So I am starting from question number 16. I think 1 to 15 all of you have done, and it will be very easy for you. But question I will start here from question number 16. I have written here page number 25, but question number 16 is page number 24. So please open your book, page number 24 first. After that, you will explain the total page of 25. Clear? Now, page number 16, make page number 24, question number 16. Make the greatest and the smallest number of 5 digits using the digits such as 8, 4, 7, 3 and 1. 8, 4, 7, 3 and 1. You have to make using this digit the greatest and smallest number. Now the greatest number, the greatest 5 digit number, when you form the greatest number, what will be the rule? You have to arrange the all digits in descending order. So the greatest number is 8, 7, 4, 3, 1. Smallest number, 5 digit smallest number. When you form the smallest number, you have to arrange the all digit in ascending order. So your answer will be 1, 3, 4, 7, 8. Clear? Now question number 17. Make the greatest and the smallest 6 digit number using the digit 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 0. You have to form the greatest and smallest number, but repetition of digit is allowed here. Here repetition of digit is not allowed, but here the repetition of digit is allowed. What are the rule? What is the rule of rule to form the greatest number? Which one is the greatest digit? Greatest digit 6. Here 6 is the greatest digit. So you have to repeat the 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to repeat the 6 times. 6,66,666. Clear? When you form the smallest number, which one is the smallest digit? You have to repeat this one. But here 0 is the smallest digit, so you cannot repeat the 0 in 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Because when you repeat 0, 6 in 6 times, you cannot form any number because 0 has no value. So that's why this one is the wrong. So after 0, which one is the smallest digit? Here 2 is the smallest digit. So first write down 2, after that you put 0. 2 left is the smallest. Now 18. Give the greatest 5 digit number with all digits different and ending in 1. So question is, give the greatest 5 digit number with all digits. When you form the greatest 5 digit number, you arrange the digit in descending order. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. But you have to end here with 1. So your number will be 9, 8, 7, 6, 1. Because it will be end with 1. Okay? Now 19. Question number 19. Give the smallest number more than 28743. Give the smallest number more than 28743. So which one is the smallest number more than 28743? When you add 1 with this number, when you add 1 with 28743, you will get your answer 28744. Clear? When you form the smallest number, whatever the number is given, so you just add 1 with the number. Now 20. Round off. You have to round off the number nearest 10, nearest nearest 1000, nearest 100 and nearest 10,000. So first one is round of the number to nearest 10. 28,754. So you have to apply the rules whatever I have discussed in previous video. When you first you observe, here is the which one is present in unit place. If it will be more than 5 or less than it will be more than 5, you first you have to put 0, 0 and after that you add 10. But 4 is less than 5, just only you put 0. So your answer will be 28750. Clear? Now the B. Now B. 54,721 to nearest 100. 54,721. 54,721 nearest 100. So first you observe what will be present in tens place and unit place. Tens place and unit place. So 2 is present in tens place. So it is less than 5. So you put 0 both in tens place and unit place. So your answer will be 54700. Now C. C. 3,86,521. 3,86,521 to nearest 1,000. So which one is 1,000 place? 6 here is 1,000 place. 6 here is 1,000 place. So when you round up nearest 1,000, first you observe what which digit is present in 100 place. Which digit is present in 100 place? So 5 is present here. So 5 is equal to 5. So first you put 0 in 100, tens and 1 place. After that you will add 1,000. 38600. After that you will add 1,000. So your answer will be 3,87,000. Clear? 3,87,000. Now D. 4,46,671. 4,46,671. 4,46,671. So round of nearest 10,000. So which one present in 10,000 place? First you write down that 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens 1. So which digit is present in 1,000 place? 6 present in 1,000 place. So it is more than 5. So first you put 0 in 1,000, 100, tens and 1 place. After that you will add 10,000. So your answer will be first you put 4,4,0,0,0. First you put 0 in 1,000, 100, tens and 1 place. After that you will add 10,000. So your answer will be 4,50,000. 4,50,000. Clear? Now multiple choice question. Take the correct answer. A1. The numeral for 10,000 and 100 is 10,000 and 100. First you write down 10,000 plus 100. So your answer will be 10,100. So option 1. So option A is correct. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Now 2. The place value of 7 in 3, 2, 7, 5, 6, 3. What is the place value of 7? 7 is present in 1000 place. So 7000 means 7000. Okay. So option C is correct. Clear? Now 3,25,896 rounded to the nearest thousand. 3,25,896 rounded to the nearest thousand. So 5 is the 1000 place. So you have to notice which digit is present in 100 place. 8 is present here. 100 place. So 8 is more than 5. So first you put 0 in 100, tens and 1 place. After that you will add 1000. So you will get your answer. 3, 2, 5, 0, 0, 0. After you will add 1000. So your answer will be 3,26,000. 3,26,000. 3,26,000. D, option D is correct. Option D is correct. Now 4. The smallest 6-digit number with all digits different is the smallest 6-digit number with all digits different is when you arrange the smallest 6-digit number. Here are option B is correct. 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is the option 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why you will write this one. Otherwise, if you have to from the smallest 6-digit number, if 0 is not present, so you can write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, clear? Now 5. Now question number 5. The smallest digit or number or any letter, so it will be same from backwards as well as forwards. Suppose I am writing a letter madam. When you read from forwards, it will be madam, and when you read the word from backwards, M-A-D-A, same spelling. So this is known as palindrome. So which one is the palindrome? Here B. Here B option is palindrome because 1, 0, 2, 0, 1. When you count from forwards, it will be 1, 0, 2, 0, 1. When you count from backwards, it will be 1, 0, 2, 0. You practice